Hi everyone, I'm Qaina. I'm making this video because I want to give a comment from Qaina's storytelling performance. Just telling about A Foolish Woodpecker. There are four aspects that I want to comment. The first, the cover. I think it is clear. She introduces herself at first and tell us what she wants to do. But I can't hear it clearly because many voices around her. Then, in the middle and at the end, it's not good because she forgot a little bit of the story. Secondly, about the pacing, I think it's good. She gives a pause every scene of the story. Also, she has a little stuttering. Third is about the eye contact. In my opinion, the eye contact is fabulous because she not really appreciate the story and look it in many directions, like remembering the story. The last is about the volume deals. The volume has already low, but the class is very crowded, so her voice is covered, and the pronunciation is not all true. And my suggestion is she should to practice again to be better than now, and also she should increase her self-confidence so she can look at the audience and try to appreciate the story. I think that's all. Thank you.